The manufacturing route is through melting, extrusion, cold working processes for all products such as copper, cupro-nickel, brasses and bronzes. Raw materials used are copper cathodes, purchased from known sources. In Mehta industry, we have a vast network of operation which include cathode stock, cathode cutting for melting in channel furnace. The group has 3 channel furnaces and 3 coreless induction furnaces of different capacities running round the clock, 7 days a week, located at various units. Burner preheating the launder, continued for flame cover during metal teaming, for gravity casting into water-cooled copper molds. Intermediate temperature checking for melt treatment. Degassing for removal of trapped gases, etc. Button sample for copper set test and spectrometric analysis. Emission spectroanalyzer for checking composition and impurities before teaming the melt. Spatula sample making for testing formidability and conductivity prediction of melt. Conductivity checking of spatula sample before teaming melt. Teaming of molten copper into gravity water-cooled copper molds. Semi-continuous casting setup at separate location with melting and holding furnaces. Logs are cast in 4.2 meter length in different diameters. The logs are cut into billets of different lengths for extrusion. We now take you to the extrusion area. The group has 4 extrusion presses located at various units working round the clock, 7 days a week. The cut billets are heated in gas-fired furnaces with automatic temperature controls. The heated billets are checked for temperatures by dual-wave radiation pyrometers, directly displaying billet temperatures on the control monitor at the press operator desk. Copper and cupro-nickel alloys are extruded underwater. Others are extruded in air-cooled or water-quenched based on the metallurgical characteristics of the alloy. The changes are operator-friendly, giving flexibility to take as short as 2-hour run campaigns. The size changes for solids take no extra time as the press has double cassette die holding system. Hollow size changing takes 15 minutes. This gives flexibility to cater to the small quantity requirement of customers with standard sizes. Part quantity of extruded products is sold to redrawing units all over the country. Large part of flat products is cold rolled, cold drawn and finished. The tubular products, rounds and profiles are cold drawn and finished. The tubular products are either pilgered or cold drawn, depending on the final product sizes required. The group has commissioned 2 numbers of pilger rolling mills. 2 more are under procurement. The pilgered tubes are further drawn through conventional draw benches and vertical bull blocks into sizes less than 35 mm OD and 2.5 mm wall for applications in marine, desalination, heat exchangers, plumbing applications, ACR applications and general engineering industry. The group has continuous bright annealing furnace for straight length tubes up to 15 meters, which has internal atmosphere controlling arrangements. The vertical inverted drawing drop type bull blocks, 2 numbers, are used for making long length tubular products. Pancake coils of various sizes and capillary tubes for air conditioning industry are made out of this. They are annealed to various tempers as required by the buyers. The final anneal is carried out in vacuum and protective atmosphere as necessitated by the metallurgy of the alloy. In the process quality assurance check is a standard practice like eddy current testing, ultrasonic testing, hydrostatic testing for solids is done on equipments with technologies to comply with all the international standards.